Namaste, I am Dr. Navneet. Today we will explore an Ayurvedic formulation which is told in scrotal swellings, that is Ulli Vettudugadi Kashaya. This yoga is told in Kashaya Prakarana of Sahasra Yoga, and the verse goes like: ഉള്ളി വെട്ടിടുക് ചുക്ക് ഉഴിഞ്ഞവേർ ആവണക്കിനുടവേർ കഷായമായി സ ആവണ കുരുവെന്ന സൈന്ധവം നീർക്കുടിക്കിൽ വൃഷണം ചുരുണ്ടുപോ. Ulli is Lashuna, that is Aliyam Satteva. Vettidugu, otherwise called Karanji in Malayalam. This is Leda Karanji in Sanskrit, and its botanical name is Cisalpinia bonduc. Chukka is Shundi, Singiber officinale. Urinya is Jorishmadi, Cardiospermum helicacabum. Avanaka is Aranda, Ricinus communis. Anubana for Ulli Vettudugadi Kashaya is Aranda Thaila and Saindava. This Kashaya is prepared by taking all the drugs in equal quantity and then prepared according to the Kashaya Kalpana Vidhi. Indication is told as Vrishanam Churundupo, that Vrishana means scrotum, so it reduces the size of scrotal swelling, including inguinal hernias. This is very useful.